The courts and justice system in Ireland is one which does not serve the Irish people. Nothing about the court system, the solicitors, the barristers, the judges, the prosecutors, nothing about them is organised to serve justice in Ireland. But here in Washington Street Courthouse, the barristers were out earlier on. I think they ran for cover to avoid us. The barristers are here looking for pay restoration. They're looking for more money. And their senior people of the Bar Council have said, if you want a functioning justice system, you need to pay for it. You need to put money up. But what honest Irish citizen, what working man or woman will say from their hearts that justice is delivered in places like this? Justice for ordinary people. Who can say that to stand before this court system, unless you've got bags and bags full of money, that you will be treated equally before the law and that you will receive justice? I think very few, if any honest person, could say that. I myself have witnessed unending court cases where witnesses, Gardaí, solicitors, prosecutors, witnesses for prosecution have told blatant lies, lies which are documented. Judges I have seen who know this, who have nodded and said will convict anyway. This is a daily occurrence. If you look especially in the district courts throughout Ireland, they are packed full of people every day. Ordinary people who are not articulate, who do not understand the system they face, who are imposed upon. We see legal aid system dishing out fees, large amounts of money. Some of these people earn up to 700,000 or 800,000 euro every year from public money. We see these people taking cases on board, looking for repeated deferrals when there's no need for it. Why? So as to up their fee take. Today the barristers and throughout Ireland, they are protesting, demanding their pay restoration. And they say you need this if you want a system of justice. But when we have seen even high-profile cases of injustice, where have we seen barristers or solicitors stand up and proclaim that injustice has taken place? I might mention the case of the Strokestown three, convicted of defending a family who were being illegally evicted on behalf of KBC Bank. These people have been they were assaulted, and now they are sentenced to 15 years in jail. And the initial warrants for the eviction are known to be invalid. Yet not one barrister, not one solicitor has spoken out and said this was wrong. They have allowed it to happen. You might look at the case ongoing of Enoch Burke, who is currently free but has spent, I think, well over a year already in Mountjoy jail, not charged with any crime at all, not guilty of any crime, but charged in order to force the ideological position of some who think that if you don't think like them, you must be wrong. And because he would not bend the knee, he has been forced into jail. I raise also the case of Bridget Scanlon, a grandmother who has been imprisoned for the last year and a quarter now, imprisoned in a court hearing which was secret under the in-camera rule, even though there were no children involved in the trial, so it should not have been in camera. It should have been public. There was no evidence presented against her except the word of one social worker who had compromised her own self in her dealings with Bridget Scannon's family. And based on that one person's word alone, Bridget has endured jail. And where is the outcry for justice in her case among the legal professionals who are now looking for more money from the public purse? that is from our money. The point is, it's not there. The barristers of Ireland, with their Batman suits, with their wigs, thinking they're important people, with their superior attitude, look down upon the plain people of Ireland, and they don't care. All they care for is money. Money, money, money. We have a court system which is corrupt. It is not designed or intended to deliver justice. Anybody who thinks that is living an illusion. And all they need to do is visit the courthouses any morning and see the railroading and the money making which is taking place. Money rules. If you have plenty of money, you can get all the barrister's assistance you want. If you don't have that, if you're on welfare, you will not get the same level of treatment. You will not get the same legal advice. You will be railroaded through, and you will serve jail if that's what your sentence is, or you will have fines imposed. You will not get anything near justice. And the whole apparatus which surrounds court services, the judges, all their staff with them, they stand to be condemned before the people because justice is not their aim. Their aim is money making.